We are here in this site. It is the experimental landslides monitoring site of the Poggio Baldi landslides. That is a site, a natural laboratory dedicated to monitoring system, to the testing of monitoring system, different types of remote sensing monitoring, and also to the understanding of rockfall events on how they develop in this kind of site. Why this site is so interesting? This site was experienced relevant landslides, big landslides, for the first time in 1914 and for the last time in 2010. In 2010, the landslides occurred on 19 March after a huge snowfall and the melting of the snow. These landslides mobilized 4 million cubic meters of material that destroyed houses, destroyed the regional road, and dammed the river, creating a beautiful lake that is still present here. The upper cliff is releasing very frequent rockfalls. Rockfalls with a size ranging from few centimeters to tens of cubic meters. And the frequency is very high. It is able to release up to 100 rockfalls per day. And this is very interesting because, of course, it's a clear natural laboratory where we can test and observe this frequent event. Just staying here 3 days, collecting data, it is possible to identify several rockfalls, and these rockfalls allow to test instrument. And this is exactly one of the purpose of this site. One of the purpose is to test and calibrate new remote sensing measurement systems.
I'm really proud to be here because today is the first step for a long monitoring of this landslide. During the last years, students, PhD students, postdoc researchers, but also professors, technicians from industries were here to test and to discover some features of these landslide processes.
It's a pleasure to contribute in this experimental site. Sensiv will provide a 4G camera, a new product, which will allow to get remote images, and the camera will be fully remote controlled.
Today I'm really pleased to be here with the collaboration with the Department of Scienze della Terra from the University of Rome. Today we have deployed a radar Doppler for mainly to detect fast event collapse like rockfall. This experience is not the first one that we are carrying on with the department. In fact, also even some years ago we were using other equipment, mainly interferometric radar in that case, and the final goal, of course, is to test and then also check the capability of radar monitoring to measure displacement along the time.
Per me è un piacere oggi portare il saluto di tutto l'Ateneo Sapienza, che col suo Dipartimento di Scienze della Terra ha contribuito a questo laboratorio importante sui rischi geologici, che oggi vede, dopo l'emergenza Covid, la possibilità di comunicare la riapertura delle attività e i risultati scientifici che ci auguriamo essere sempre più promettenti.
Vado? Vai. Ovviamente non taglia benissimo, ma ce la facciamo. Ecco. Evviva!